Today we're celebrating World Migratory Bird Day with Timucuan Preserve, and we have Cicely Pontiflet, a park ranger here joining us, so thanks for hanging out with us.
Hi, nice to meet you.
So when it comes to the world migratory birds, Timucuan has a wide space which allows for a lot of birds to come to the area. Do people even realize how many birds are living in the area?
Well, that's why we're having this event. We want people to come out and celebrate all the birds that use Timucuan as important habitat. Some of them aren't here all the time, but a lot of them are here a lot. And we want everyone to come see the migratory birds and the ones that live here full time.
So with the migratory, are there certain ones, like at this time of year, do they all come at different cycles, or is there one time of year where it's like a bunch of the migratories are just here at once?
It varies throughout the year, but spring migration is probably the most popular time for birding here in Florida. And there's a lot of things that are passing through. A lot of songbirds like the painted bunting. The male is very bright. It's red and green and got yellow. So, you know, this is a great time to start spotting those birds. And you might see some rosette spoonbills, this is a replica of a rosette spoonbill. And these are all replicas of skulls of birds that either visit or call Timucuan home full time.
So that spoonbill, is it kind of a duck related at all? I'm just going by the bill.
Well, it's called a spoonbill because of the shape of its beak, but I think it's probably related to like the herons and egrets. I'm not sure on that, but it is a bright pink color, kind of like your shirt.
Ah, see, you noticed the color. I see you. And you said that this one right here is your favorite. This is the great blue heron?
Yes, it's a common bird that you see throughout the park, but it's my favorite because of the way it hunts. It is called a wading bird, and it has these long, skinny legs that it wades through the water very carefully. And then when it sees something it wants to eat, it gets very, very still. And while it's waiting patiently, it readies its beak and its long neck. And then when the animal gets closer, it uses its beak like a knife and catches its prey, then gives a little shake and swallows the animal whole.
I've been known to have meals like that, so good to know. All right, we're cousins, all right. So if people want to know more about today, or what's going on at Timucuan for other opportunities, where would they go online?
Okay, well, you can find us at the Timucuan Preserve website. It's www.nps.gov/TIMU. That's short for Timucuan. And we're having a special event this Saturday, April 23rd from 9 until 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. we're going to have a night hike, but we do require pre-registration. So just give us a call at Fort Caroline National Memorial. The number is 904-641-7155 to make a reservation. And then we will host hikes at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 1 p.m. And all the hikes are free. Just show up about 15 minutes before the hike is scheduled, and you'll be able to take a hike with several ornithologists, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
It's going to be great weather as well. Thanks for hanging out with us today, Cicely. And all right, I'm going to go go hunting for my food like a heron. Is that cool?
Absolutely.
All right, we'll have more River City Live right after this.